Can Nykaa make us look like Kate Sharma? Dearest gentle reader, today we recreate Kate Sharma. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Neha doing makeup. So today's video is going to be very excited because I have finally got my hands on the Nykaa Bridgerton palette. I have got its face palette, two beautiful lipsticks. Since I have a dusky skin tone, I really wanted to show you how this gorgeous palette looks beautiful on our dusky skin. So today I will be creating Kate Sharma's inspired Bridgerton look using this gorgeous palette. If you love soft glam, royal vibes and makeup tutorial, keep watching this video till the end. So look at this palette. It is so gorgeous, so dreamy. It gives full royal vibes, perfect for Bridgerton fans. In this palette, you get some beautiful mattes and shimmers and that romantic shades which we love. Shade selection is more on warm and neutral side, which is perfect for the deeper skin tones. Before we start creating the look, let's do the swatches quickly because I know you all are very excited to see how it looks on the dusky skin. Let me quickly show you the swatches. The blush shade and the contour shade. Can you see how pigmented it is? So it have got some matte shades and shimmer shade, and this particular shade, it gives you that wet eyeshadow look. Let me show you the swatch. Look at these guys. It is so pigmented. I told you, right? Let's start our today's look of Kate Sharma from the Bridgerton series. Let's begin by applying the hydrating primer. This is from NYX Marshmallow. And now I will take the full coverage concealer from Too Faced and I will apply it just where I needed. Kate has that gorgeous royal glow on her face, so we are using e.l.f. Halo Glow and we will apply it on the high points of the face. Now I will blend the concealer properly just to make my face look like one. After applying the concealer, make sure you are leaving it as it is so that it can be blended nicely then. If you have seen, Kate's face have got that very silky kind of a makeup on her face. Hence, we are using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Foundation. Just one pump is enough and make sure you're blending it properly. If you want to use a brush or a beauty blender, it's all up to you. Just brightening my under eyes with the Charlotte Tilbury Soulmate palette. You can use a loose powder too, but I think for this look it was perfect. Now comes the superstar product of this video, the Nykaa Bridgerton palette. See how gorgeous it is. So Kate's face is very nicely sculpted. So I have taken this contour. Please make sure it is very pigmented. You're just picking up a little bit and then blending it nicely. It's very pigmented, you girls. I have just taken a little bit and you can already see how nicely contoured my face is looking. Her face is very warm and flushed. The blush is a bit brighter, so I'm applying it softly and balancing it with bronzer to make it look more wearable on the dusky skin. Now coming to the most exciting part, the Kate Sharma inspired eyes. Applying the soft brown all over my lids and taking this deeper brown and just intensifying my outer corner. Applying the shimmer with my fingers for that beautiful glow. Kate always has that soft eyeliner moment, so I am doing a small wing and I will apply the kajal in the waterline for that Indian touch, just on the waterline. I will smudge the kajal a bit with the light brown eyeshadow, curl your lashes and apply the mascara. Finish your look by using the mascara. If you want, you can add the falsies too. But in the picture, the Kate is only wearing her natural lashes, no falsies. Take a moment to look at this gorgeous lipstick from the collection and look at that embossing. Oh my god, my heart has it. And this ring, you can wear it too. Ballroom Ballet is the lipstick shade because that's very Bridgerton and very Kate. Okay, so this is the final look of Kate Sharma inspired Bridgerton makeup look. Honestly, I'm really impressed with all the shades, how beautifully they work on the dusky skin. Also, as I mentioned, they are so pigmented. The lipstick is that creamy matte, very comfortable on the lips. I've just applied it very lightly and still you can see the pigment, how gorgeous it is. Blush, contour, shimmers, the pigment payoff is excellent. So my final verdict is it is highly pigmented, blends really well, great for those soft makeup looks and for Indian wedding looks. And my dusky skin girls, if you are thinking for purchasing this palette, definitely go ahead because I think this is perfectly made for us. If you love warm, romantic kind of a makeup look, you are going to enjoy this palette. If you have liked my video, please give that thumbs up and considering subscribing to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.